Do you want to rename your project? Follow these steps. At the top of the page, click directly on the current name. Then type in the new name you want, then press enter or click outside the text box to save it. To add page title to make it more organized. Look at the top left corner of your current page, click on Add Page Title. Start typing the title you want for that page, then press enter to save it. Do the same steps for all the pages you want to add a title. To duplicate a specific page you want to copy, click on this icon. There you will see an exact copy of the previous page. Click the Add Page button to add new blank page. To download your work from Canva, click Share button. Then, select Download from the drop-down menu. Choose the file type you need. Now let's try the PDF format. Read my tip on to know which PDF type you need for your project. Another tip, you could choose specific pages to download if it's a multi-page document. Make sure to read all the options before you proceed to download. Check your downloads folder. Here's the file we downloaded in PDF format. If this was helpful, make sure to follow for more tutorials and tips. Click and subscribe to my Joyful Art channel. Thank you.